Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, User DL, and welcome to the Aliens Blog and Math Tutorial. For today, we are going to talk about multiplying mixed fractions. We are going to study multiplying mixed fractions in an easy way. What are the objectives of this lesson? Number one, discuss multiplication of mixed fractions. We are going to discuss multiplication of fractions. Number two, solve multiplication of mixed fractions. We are going to solve multiplication of mixed fractions. Always remember, winners never quit and quitters never win. Again, winners never quit and quitters never win. What are the rules in terms of multiplying mixed fractions? Number one, convert the mixed fractions into improper fractions. Number two, in solving for the numerator, multiply both numerators. Number three, in solving for the denominator, multiply both denominators. And number four, find the lowest term. Those are very simple rules. Let's now try to apply these rules on the given example. 1 and 1/2 multiplied by 1 and 1/5. What is the product of 1 and 1/2 and 1 and 1/5? Let's now follow the rules. Number one, convert the mixed fractions into improper fractions. How do we convert mixed fractions into improper fractions? We just simply multiply the denominator and the whole number plus the numerator in order for us to get the value for the numerator. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1, that is 3. Then copy the value of the denominator. Next one, 5 times 1, that is 5 plus 1, that is 6. Then copy the denominator, 6 over 5. In solving for the numerator, multiply both numerators. 3 multiplied by 6, that is 18. 3 multiplied by 6 is 18. Then multiply both denominators in solving for the value of the denominator. 2 times 5, that is 10. Then find the lowest term. Since 18 over 10 is an improper fraction, we are going to convert this one into a mixed fraction. 18 over 10 is equal to 1 and 8 over 10 in terms of mixed fraction. But wait, 8 over 10 has lowest term. What is the number that we are going to divide both numerator and denominator? What is the same number that we can divide from 8 and 10? That is 2. Very good. 8 divided by 2, that is 4. And 10 divided by 2, that is 5. Our final answer is 1 and 4 over 5, because 8 and 10 are both divisible by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Let's have another example. 2 and 2/3 multiplied by 2 and 1/4. What are the steps? Convert the mixed fractions into improper fractions. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6 plus 2, that is 8. Then copy the denominator. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8 plus 1, that is 9. Then copy the denominator, that is 9 over 4. In finding or solving for the numerator, multiply both numerators. 8 times 9, that is 72. In finding or solving for the denominator, multiply both denominators. 3 times 4, that is 12. Then find the lowest term of 72 over 12. 72 over 12 is equal to 6. Exact 6, or 6 over 1. 72 divided by 12 is 6. So we have a whole number answer on this example. Next example. 1 and 2/3 multiplied by 2 and 1/3. First step, convert the mixed fractions into improper fractions. 3 multiplied by 1 is 3 plus 2, that is 5. Then copy 3. 3 multiplied by 2, it's 6 plus 1, 7. Then copy the denominator, and that is 3. In solving for the numerator, multiply both numerators. 5 times 7, that is 35. In solving for the denominator, multiply both denominators. That is 3 multiplied by 3, that is 9. Then we find the lowest term. 35 over 6 is an improper fraction. That's why we are going to convert this one into a mixed fraction. 35 over 9 is equal to 3 and 8 over 9. The equivalent of 35 over 9 into a mixed fraction is 3 and 8 over 9. If you want to know how to convert mixed fraction into improper fractions, You may check my previous videos because I uploaded some part of it. Okay, let's move on our next example. Try to solve this one on your own. 2 and 1/3 multiplied by 2 and 2/3. Try to solve this one on your own. 2 and 1/3 multiplied by 2 and 2/3. Convert the mixed fractions into improper fractions. Then in solving for the numerator, multiply both numerators. In solving for the denominator, multiply both denominators. Then find the lowest terms, the last step. Try to do this one on your own. I'll be giving you enough time. Okay, let's now solve this problem. First step, convert the mixed fraction into improper fractions by simply multiplying the denominator and the whole number plus the numerator. That will be the value for the numerator. 3 times 2, that is 6, plus 1, 7 over 3. Copy the denominator. 3 multiplied by 2, that is 6 plus 2, 8 over 3. Copy the denominator. Then next, multiply both numerators in order for us to solve for the value of the numerator. 7 times 8, that is 56. Multiply both denominators and solving for the denominator. 3 multiplied by 3, that is 9. Since 56 over 9 is an improper fractions, we are going to convert this one into mixed fraction. 56 over 9 is equal to 6 and 2 over 9. Use the final answer. 6 and 2 over 9 is the final answer in looking for the product of 2 and 1/3 multiplied by 2 and 2/3. Okay, next example. 5 and 1/2 multiplied by 3 and 1/3. What is 5 and 1/2 multiplied by 3 and 1/3? Convert the mixed fractions into improper fractions. 2 multiplied by 5, 10 plus 1, 11. Then copy the denominator, 2. 3 multiplied by 3, that's 9 plus 1, that is 10. Copy the denominator, which is 3, 10 over 3. In solving for the numerator, multiply both numerators. 11 multiplied by 10, that is 110. Then in solving for the denominator, 2 multiplied by 3, it's 6. Then we are going to convert 110 over 6 because 110 over 6 is an improper fraction. And we need to convert it into a mixed fraction. 110 over 6 is equal to 18 and 2 over 6. 18 and 2 over 6. But wait, 2 over 6 has a lowest term because both numerators and denominators are divisible by, very good, by 2. What is 2 divided by 2? That is 1. 6 divided by 2, that is 3. So our final answer is 18 and 1/3. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Our final answer is 18 and 1/3. As simple as that. That is how we multiply mixed fractions. First rule, convert the mixed fractions into improper fractions. Number 2, in solving for the numerator, multiply both numerators. Next one, in solving for denominator, multiply both denominators. And number 4, find the lowest term. All right, we're finished with our simple discussion for today. Always remember, mathematics will always remind us that in every problem, there is a solution. Thank you for watching, everyone, and may God bless you. Please do not lose hope. Keep moving on, keep fighting.